Hi, Russ Gaspard here for JavaWeek1Vid and the mobile development degree, and I'm here to go over my week 1 project, which is a list creation app. And it's a little embarrassing because this is about as bare bones as you can get. I made sure to hit all the project requirements according to the rubric, but nothing more, just what was required and only what was required. The second piece on the rubric is that it accepts user input and text entry with the proper views and input methods. So if I put my name in, here, I can enter a new item and it adds it to the list, and it keeps a running total of the number of items and the average character length of each item. So if I want to add another item, that one was 6 characters long, so now the average is 5, and it's keeping track of my total. So I can add any number of items here, and it's adding them to the list. It won't accept duplicate items, so if I try to put the same item in again, it remains with only 3 items. That's through the use of the hash set. Now I can click on any one of these items, and as required, my alert view comes up that demands that I take action and kind of release the alert view here. Again, not a very attractive alert view, but it's there and it functions. So I think I hit all the main points. If we want to look at the code, my data is stored in a collection that accepts single value elements, and only unique entries are stored in the collection. It's stored in this hash set, and the hash set, each time you click the button to enter new data, it gets entered in the hash set, and then I run this custom function that if we scroll down to this function, this does all the heavy lifting. It scrolls through each item in the hash set and builds an array list based on the items in the hash set, and the array list is what's actually feeding the list view. Also, as I'm looping through it, I add up the length of each item so I can calculate the average, and of course once I've got the array built, then I've got the count of how many items are in there as well, and I go ahead and output those to text views at the end of this same function. So this one function kind of takes care of all the major functionality, with the exception when you click a list item, I call this other function that brings up the dialog box there and displays the content from my list view. If I put a new name in here, it will blank it back out when I'm done. So I enjoyed the project. I learned a lot. I wish it could have been a little nicer looking and had a little more functionality to delete items and do some other things, but I'm just happy that I was able to meet the minimum requirements. It was a very challenging week time-wise. I had to work 6 days this week. I had to work all day today on Sunday, and I'm also moving from one home to another this month. So I'm just happy to have completed the app, and looking forward to next week. Thank you.